Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our HTML training session. Today we will talk about HTML formatting. HTML formatting enhances the readability and appearance of your text without using CSS. It provides various options such as a bold, italic, underlined and more. These formatting options are divided into two categories. First, physical text. This alters the appearance of the text. Second, logical text. This adds meanings or importance to the text. Some texts might look similar in appearance, but their purpose differ. Now, let's discuss some common HTML formatting tags and their purpose. First, B tag. The B tag makes text bold. Here an example. Then, strong tag. The strong tag also makes text bold. For example, search engine or browser recognize this is important content. Then, I tag. The I tag makes text italic. Then, EM tag. The EM tag makes text italic and emphasize it. Then the mark tag highlight text. Then U tag, the U tag underline text. Superscript tag, this tag resides text slightly above the normal text line. Then subscript tag, this lower text slightly below the normal text line. Then del tag, the del tag so delete text with a strict through line. Then big tag, make text one size larger than the surrounding text. Small tag, the small tag make text smaller than the surrounding text. Now let's start with bold text. Using the BR strong tag, we can make text bold. The B tag is a physical tag, meaning it only changes the visual appearance without adding semantic importance. The strong tag adds semantic meaning, indicating that the content is important. We will see examples of these tags to understand. I will copy a simple example here, open VS Code and paste here. In this paragraph, and this text is bold. Now, in the same way, we will also make this bold. Now let's talk about italic text. By using the I tag, we can make text italic. For example, here it is change the appearance of the text to italic. This is a physical tag, meaning it only change the appearance but does not carry any semantic importance, just like the B tag for bold text. Similarly, I tag make text italic. The B tag make text bold. EM tag indicate important text with semantic meaning, like it will make the text italic but also signify to the browser that this text is important. We will understand the better with an example. In the example, open VS Code editor. You will see that both texts look italic, but the browser recognizes the EM tag text is semantically important. Similarly, for bold text, using the B tag will make the text bold visually, but the strong tag adds a semantic importance. Everything inside the strong tag will be bold, and the browser will interpret it as important text. Next, let's move to a highlight text. Using the mark tag, we can highlight text with a yellow background color. For example, if I write some text inside the mark tag, it will appear with a yellow background. If I add more content outside the mark tag, that content will not be highlighted. Only the text inside the mark tag will have the yellow background. Finally, we come to underline text. Using the U tag, we can underline text. For example, whatever text is inside U tag will be underlined, while the rest will not be. Using the superscript text, we can lift the text slightly above the normal line. Let me show you an example. If I write sub here, the text will be moved a little higher than the normal line. See, the text here has moved up slightly. Now, let's look at what the subscript text does. Using the subscript tag, we can lower the text slightly below the normal line. Let me show you this with an example too. If I apply sub here, the text will be moved down below the normal line. The text has gone below the normal line this way. Next, let's discuss the delete text. Using the delete tag, we can show text as delete. It adds a strike through to the text, giving it a semantic meaning that the text has been removed. For example, if I apply the delete tag here, see how the text now has a strike through it, indicating it has been removed. Now, let's talk about the larger text. Using the big tag, we can make the text larger than the surrounding text. Let me show you an example. If I apply big tag here, you can see that the text become larger than the rest of text. Similarly, using the smaller tag, we can make the text smaller than the surrounding text. Let me show you an example. If I apply the small tag here, you will notice the text become smaller compared to the normal size. Finally, let's see how to combine format text. I will open my code editor here and write in the structure, starting with doc type HTML and HTML. There's the title tag. Below that, the body section start. Inside the body, I have written an example of HTML formatting tag. For instance, in the first paragraph, I use a strong tag and emphasis tag together. You can see that the text is bold. In the second paragraph, I applied underline and mark tag. You can see the text is underlined and the background is highlighted in yellow. If I remove the highlight, the text will look normal without the yellow background. We look at how superscript and subscript text work. In the third paragraph, you can see how normal text, superscript text and subscript text are used together. The superscript text has moved up and the subscript text has moved down. Let me remove the subscript so that only the superscript remains. In the fourth paragraph, we will look at how the big and small tag work. For example, if I make the text big, this is a normal text, and the text is bigger, it will appear bigger like this. If I remove the big tag, the text will return to its normal size. If I want only this is a normal text, the appear bigger, I will apply the big tag here. When I close the big tag, the rest of the text will remain normal, but the selected text will be bigger. Now, I will use the small tag. For example, I apply small tag here. Look, the text is now smaller. Now, let's talk about the delete tag. For example, if I write this text is delete, the text will appear with a strike through. When I apply the delete tag, the text is marked as deleted. This is how we use HTML formatting with HTML formatting tag. You can control the appearance of your text on the web page, making it more readable and visually appealing. If you want to know more, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.